Reverse engineering, triangles, success, how they go together. Stick around, I'm going to tell you how reverse engineering can help you achieve the goals for your business. Reverse engineering works with a structure. I'm going to give you a sneak peek into how I use a structure to help my clients achieve their goals. Want to see it? Let's do it. This is part 3 of a 3-part series. If you haven't either watched the first part or the second part, please check them out. Today we're going to talk about the system. This is where the strategy turns into a system. This is pretty cool. You ready? Let's do this. In part 2, what did we talk about? We built the triangle, right, for the year? Okay. Now, what we do is we add milestones to that. And the year, we split it up into different quarters because there are 4 quarters in a year. And each quarter is going to have its own milestone. And it's going to build on it over and over up to the top. Now, with each quarter, we're going to take that and build another triangle. Here's the quarter one. And notice how we now have 3 sections. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. There's 3 months in a quarter. So in the first quarter, you're going to put 3 months down. What are the milestones that you're going to have to get that first quarter milestone? Oh, and you're not done there. Now you're going to take the first month and you're going to make another triangle. And it's going to be week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 with the result on top. And after each week, there is a milestone that you're going to get to reach that 1 month milestone. And then for that 1 week, you're going to have another set of triangles that you're going to get your top priorities done every single day to work towards that milestone for the week. Now, here's the key to all this. Look what you're doing. You're not doing 52 weeks right at the start of the year. No. You're getting different milestones along the way, and you're doing it 1 week at a time. You narrow it down from an annual down to a month, down to 4 weeks. You work on those 4 weeks. Then you go on to a second month. But guess what? At the end of that first month, you review what you did in the first month and adjust accordingly. It's like climbing a mountain. You start climbing, and then you have to realize, okay, am I going the right way? That's what you got to do. You got to look at what you did that month. What milestones did you achieve? What milestones didn't you achieve? What things happened along the way that you probably didn't realize were happening when you first started this plan? You're constantly adjusting all the time. That's what makes this a system. We're going to use the triangle system the whole year, but we're going to break it down into smaller parts so that you constantly are aiming towards your North Star, your one goal for the entire year. Now, by adjusting along the way, you can correct yourself sooner. You don't want to wait till halfway through the year you realize that you're not going to meet the goals. You want to adjust along the way to adapt. Your goal is to get to the top of that mountain, and you're going to do it. And you have to adjust along the way. And it takes a lot of pre-planning as well. It's not easy. It's not easy to do the pre-planning, but trust me, the pre-planning is the key to this, and it's going to get you closer to your goals than you ever imagined. You don't just each day wing it. You have your North Star. You have the plan in place, and you follow it, and then you adapt. That's how you keep the North Star in your range at all times throughout the whole year. So how'd it go? A little overwhelming? Yeah, I know. It really is. It really can be overwhelming. Once you look at the whole thing and you went, wow, there's a lot of work to do. Yeah, there is a lot of work to do. But you know what? If you have the structure and you follow the structure, the vision, the strategy, the system, you have a chance, a real good chance, to do what you need to do to get the results you want for the upcoming year. I have a unique way of doing reverse engineering. And I share with all my clients, and they love the results they get. Remember, I said this was a 3-part series. I have a video that all 3 parts are together, plus some secret sauce, all for you to look at. All you have to do is click on the link below, and there are the details. If you like what you saw in this video, please Comment below and let me know which part you liked. And also, share it with someone who you think could use the benefit of this. Isn't it time to try a new approach and get the results you want in your business? Act now. You got this. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that circle in the middle. That way you'll be notified of all the future videos. Speaking about videos, check out these 2 videos on reverse engineering. I'm sure you're going to like them. Hope you have a great day. See you soon.